doing, it's going to send them in a looking road. Jeez, yeah. Stop, look, listen. Come on then. Pay attention to what you're doing and get off your phone. No? Okay. You're not even watching what you're doing with the buggy. Okay. You just wheel your pushchair out into the road to go around the pole rather than going on the inside. Okay. Put your lane then. Green for us. Jeez, people. Another one, crossing in the middle and keep clear. Why? I'm not sure that me didn't give way anyway. Then blocks around about. Well, doesn't give way and then this is Icky blocks around about. Perfectly good crossing behind me, but why are you crossing there? You've got an island and bollards and everything, and then you want to cross on the edge of the roundabout. Just to save yourself walking an extra 5 metres. Why? So you've got your buggy. It's a green light, so traffic is okay to cross, and you've pushed your buggy out without pressing the button at the crossing. Okay. I mean, I appreciate you're not stopping traffic, but the button's there for a reason as well. I'll do this then. I'm not going to go for a red light. None of them are crossing on green, but hey ho.
Disinterest. Don't.
What are you doing then, mate? Didn't just stand there.
Idiots.
Oh. Yeah, so you cross the road and then walk down the road, you
It used to be something else. I think, but it's too hard now.
Red Cross maybe or something, but yeah.
Yeah, so, yeah, look, yeah, they've got washing machines.
Perfectly good crossing there, and you just got to cross there instead, ain't you?
It's almost the pub, it's
Cock.
important.